Welcome to Modern Factory Secrets. Today I'll show you exactly how Pringles chips are made, step by step. Ensure this pallet of wheat starch goes to aisle 5 immediately.
Understood. Moving it now.
Ovens. The automated process guarantees a perfectly uniform consistency. The dough is now smooth and elastic.
The viscosity is holding steady at 450 centipoises.
Good. Let's maintain the mixer speed at 80 RPM.
Every batch is refined and then tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Pringles chips are made, from start to finish. Thanks for watching Modern Factory Secrets.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours.